Let's take a look at the word value problem. Given a dictionary which maps characters to values, return the value of the word as an integer. And the dictionary that we're given will contain the 26 lowercase letters as the keys, and will map those characters to integer values. And we know that the given word for which we're finding the value will only contain lowercase letters. Alright, so the function word value has two parameters, which are dicts, which is a dictionary, and str, which is the string for which we're finding the value of the word. If we take a look at sample case 0, we can see that presumably the lowercase letter a maps to 1, b maps to 3, c maps to 3, and so on. And we can see that the word for which we're trying to find the value is hello. Let's take a look at the explanation for why the sample output is 8. H has a value of 4, and E, L, and 0 all have values of 1, so the total value of hello is 8. And if we take a look at the next sample case, we can see that for ABC, the sample output is 7 because A has a value of 1, B has a value of 3, and C has a value of 3, so 3 plus 3 plus 1 is 7. Okay, so let's start writing some code. What we want to do is we want to iterate over the string, and for each character we want to basically sum up the value of the characters in the string. So let's create a variable called value, and let's assign it to 0 because we're going to see we need some place to store where we're going to sum up the values of each character, and we're going to iterate over str. So for each character in str, we're going to increment value by the value of that character, which we can get by using this, because we know the dictionary will map each character to a certain value. And once we're done iterating over the string, then we know that we have calculated the value of the string, so we can return value. And if we try running this code, we can see that our output matches the expected output, and if we run all the test cases, we can see that all of the test cases have passed. So we can submit our code and move on to the next problem.